Good morning! So, it's a Saturday morning here. Kakagising ko lang. Sa totoo lang. So, tingnan mo naman ang hair ko. Wala pang ayos-ayos. Tsaka, hindi mo pa pwede makita kung anong suot ko. Saturday morning. So, this morning, we'll try to exercise and then later, lalabas kami, maglalakad kami. Usually, nag-grocery kami sa Spadina. But, Spadina is Chinatown here. Pero ngayon, we'll try this nearby grocery. Lalakarin lang namin from the condo. See you! Hi! As promised! Ayan! Since first episode natin today, our guest is my husband. Okay, so naglalakad tayo ngayon. Yung condo is somewhere there sa likod. So siguro mga less than 10 minutes yung walk. And we will walk to the grocery. So may makikita kayong tulay dyan later. Pagtawid natin sa tulay, sa kabilang side nandun yung grocery. See you there. Chicken, tofu, fish. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa meat and fish section. And let's see. Hi! So, tapos na kami mag-grocery. And inabot ang bill namin ng $77. So, medyo on the pricey side tong grocery na to kasi kapag doon kami sa Chinatown grocery, mga usually $50-$60 lang, no? But yeah, see you later.